Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to do another review. This is the Blackadder Bigfoot in stainless steel, and this is the Blackadder Bigfoot Extended. So we're going to have a closer look at both of these. We're going to do a bit of a dig and show you how they perform. Okay, so just wanted to show you the length of these spades. So the extended one you can see is quite a lot longer than the normal one. I'm 5'10", so it does give you quite a bit of extra length. If you are digging a lot of holes, you will want a longer one, otherwise you're going to be bending over quite a lot and you'll get a backache. This one's fine if you're out and about and you don't mind bending over and digging holes. It doesn't bother you, and it's nice and light. It's a lot lighter than that one. So let's have a look at how they perform in the ground. Right, so this is the extended Bigfoot. So let's see how it does in the grass here. Nice and easy. It's got this extra part on the top, so you can get your foot on it nice and easy. And you can see there that the length for that is of the spade end is quite nice, so you can get a decent depth from your hole. Right, so let's have a look at the Blackadder Bigfoot stainless steel. Again, it's got this foot part here. I think we've hit a root there, but it does cut through roots quite well, because on both of the spades you've got this corrugated style bit here. Watching the review. I've got no affiliation to Blackadder or anything like that. Just wanted to let people see the size of them and what they look like. If you've got any comments, just leave them below, and as always, like and subscribe.